Hello, my name is Edward Kryzhanovsky. I'm CEO and founder of BrainBeat company. I would like to tell you about our project, non-invasive glucometer. According to International Diabetes Federation, 463 million people worldwide suffer from diabetes in 2019. To control sugar level in blood, a person with diabetes punctures finger daily up to 8 times and do it through the pain and risk of infection. How can we help these people? How can we weaken and eliminate the problem? We have a solution. A non-invasive glucometer was developed by our team on the basis of bloodless and painless measurement in the absorption spectrum of glucose in different optical ranges. Now, we need only to switch on the sensor, put our finger to the sensor, hold finger for 15 seconds, and results will be obtained.
More than 20 years, different teams tried to solve the problem of non-invasive glucometry, but unsuccessful. The main reason for the failure is that they did not take into account some of essential factors that disturb registration of glucose concentration, such as water absorption in different layers of skin, melanin absorption corresponding to skin color, presence of other components present in skin and blood.
We found the solution, and it consists of two parts, mathematical and technical. We developed a particular approach, a formula that takes into account all these peculiarities. We also developed special light-emitting diodes and photodetectors, especially for the rare wavelengths.
This approach is patented in Russia, China, Eurasia and Singapore. Our international application is converting now international phases in Europe, USA, Japan, Brazil, India and Indonesia. It's very important to point out that we have already obtained the CE mark.
It is essential also that we already have the Chinese patent, which is one of the most important steps for the development of business relations in China in this area.
There were several competitors in the non-invasive glucometer field, both in China and internationally.
None of them are on the market yet. The biggest of our competitors have is that they need to constantly calibrate devices with the invasive blood glucometer, and they have significant deviation. The results are dependent on the influence of water, melanin and other substances that they do not take into account, and although they have high costs.
The advantages of our system are as follows. The results do not depend on different components of blood and skin. No need to constantly calibrate. No adverse effect like irritation, small size, acceptable error in a low range according to ISO 15197 standard, low cost up to 350 USD without any consumables.
We completed clinical trials in Russia under the supervision of Federal Service for Surveillance in Healthcare Roszdravnadzor, and now we are waiting for the registration. Here you can see how accurate our results on the 422 patients are. These are the results from the official study conducted in St. Petersburg, Russia.
Let's talk about the market. In 2018, $12 billion worth of invasive blood glucose meters, pricks, and were sold globally. Diabetes market has a unique feature. It doubles in size every 12 years.
The number of people with diabetes in China is the highest in the world. Over 150 million people with diabetes, and more than 419 million are pre-diabetic.
Our business model is quite simple. We sell production license for our device. Our customers are manufacturer of invasive blood glucose meter and medical equipment, manufacturers of mobile devices, manufacturers of diabetic drugs for major diagnostic laboratories.
Our potential customers could be well-known companies such as AstraZeneca China, Huawei, Tencent, and others.
Our nearest development plan is complete certification and clinical studies in Russia, complete our serial sensor. In 2021, start certification in China and sell the license.
We have good sales already. The most famous robot manufacturer, Robot, in Russia integrates our devices into robots to test the condition of hundreds of thousands of people in clinics, banks, exhibitions and shopping centers.
Сахар критически важен при диабете. С помощью робота измерения можно провести в любом общественном месте. Неинвазивный глюкометр измеряет уровень сахара без прокола, а поэтому это доступный, безопасный и гигиеничный метод измерения. Робот измеряет уровень, оценивает и дает рекомендации по его нормализации, если сахар немного не в норме.
We are winners of multiple competitions in Russia, England and Japan. Russian authorities have already provided very good feedback on our device.
We would love to land a company in China and demonstrate our developments in the country.
We have strong cooperation with Chinese partners, such as Nanjing Information Technology Center that helps us to make sensor hardware, AstraZeneca China, with whom we are now discussing clinical trials and sales, and Professor Dungye from Tsinghua University, with whom we have cross-friendly scientific and business relationship.
We also started cooperation with prominent clinics, universities and enterprises in Nanjing already. Jiangsu Provincial People's Hospital, the first affiliated hospital in Nanjing Medical University, where we plan to conduct clinical trials. Southeast University, where we expect to receive expertise. Nanjing Medliner Medical Company, Jiangsu Yuan Medical Equipment and Supply Company, with whom negotiations are underway to establish production.
Our team consists of professional physicists, programmers, engineers and doctors.
We are residents of our largest innovation center in Russia, Skolkovo, and our mission is to improve the quality of life and improve people's health. Thank you for your attention.